So right now we're taking a look at WikiCat Coin, and if you pay close attention, you'll see that the market has been in a strong selling phase for quite some time. There's a clear series of lower highs and lower lows showing that sellers have been fully in control of this market. If we look closely at the overall structure, you can clearly see a series of lower highs and lower lows, which confirms that the market is in a selling phase. Every time the price tries to push up, sellers come back in and push it even lower. Now, let's draw a trend line connecting these highs. The moment you do that, you'll notice something powerful. Each time the price touches this trend line, it gets rejected instantly with strong bearish momentum. And if you pay attention to the candlesticks around this area, there are a lot of wick rejections, which means there's strong selling pressure every time price comes close. That's a clear sign that the trend line is acting as dynamic resistance. Now, here's where it gets interesting. If the market comes back again to retest this trend line around the 0.113 level and gives us a valid bearish candlestick pattern, maybe a bearish engulfing or a pin bar, that will be our confirmation to look for a short-term sell from that level all the way down to the next support zone. But remember, don't just jump into a trade because price touches the line. You must wait for a clear confirmation. That's the difference between professional traders and emotional traders. Now, for the second scenario, if the market fails to respect that trend line and instead breaks above it, that means the selling momentum is weakening and buyers are stepping in. In that case, we're going to wait for the retest around that same zone, around 0.112 or 0.113. If we get a strong bullish candlestick, that's our confirmation to buy from that zone up following the breakout direction. Now here's an important tip for anyone trading WikiCat Coin or any coin in general. Never enter a trade without confirmation. The market loves to fake people out. It can touch a key level, give you hope, and then reverse completely. Always wait for the market to show you a clear signal, either a bullish or bearish candlestick, before making your move. Patience is what separates consistent traders from emotional ones. Let the setup come to you. Don't chase it. So to summarize everything, the overall trend of WikiCat Coin is still bearish, downtrend. We're watching the trend line resistance around 0.113 closely. If the price respects the trend line and forms a bearish candlestick, that's our confirmation to look for a sell down. But if the price breaks above that trend line, then buyers gain control and we wait for the retest before entering a buy position. So what do you think? Will sellers continue to dominate and push WikiCat Coin even lower? Or will buyers finally step in and flip this trend to the upside? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let's see who gets it right. And remember, always trade with confirmation, trade with patience, and trade with understanding. You're not chasing price, you're waiting for your setup. I'm Shah, and I will see you in the next video.